So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Lululemon stock, ticker symbol LULU in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the home page here and press on the magnifying glass at the bottom left. Then once you're on the discover screen, go to the search bar. And as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol LULU for the Lululemon Athletica Inc. Press on that right there. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and press on buy right here at the bottom, and then press on stocks. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and change it from a fractional buy over to something else, press on fractional buy at the top, and you can change this to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, or keep it as fractional buy, which I will do for this demonstration. I will type in the amount of $2 here. Now, keep in mind as well, because this is a US listed stock, the price here is in USD, not CAD, so there will be a conversion and a slight little fee of 1.5% for your final purchase, but I'm gonna go ahead and press continue. Then as you can tell, the estimated cost for me right here is $2.72 because of the includes the 1.5% fee and the estimated exchange rate, but there you go. If you wanted to confirm your purchase, simply just go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Lululemon stock, ticker symbol LULU in Canada. I hope this video helped.